So welcome to Nekohama's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making my wife's favorite pancake recipe. You need bananas, oat flour, 2 eggs, you need some coconut oil, some plant-based butter, obviously some Nekohama matcha, and for just a little bit of flavoring you want some cinnamon, a little bit of sea salt, and vanilla extract. You're going to start with the banana, your oat flour, your 2 eggs, coconut oil. Before you put the matcha in, you're going to want to blend everything together. Now you want to add your matcha. So today we used 6 grams of matcha, a pinch of sea salt, a splash of vanilla extract, we use coconut oil to make sure it doesn't stick. Ready to flip your pancake. Perfect. My friend Alana is visiting right now, and she's not a fan of matcha, but she's never tried Nekohama. So we're obviously going to make her a Nekohama cashed pistachio milk latte. Need for our pancakes is just a little bit of butter. We're going to use a vegan butter from Monty's and a little bit of maple syrup. Ready to have some healthy pancakes?
Yes. Is it matcha?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't like matcha?
I'm gonna try.
Good?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Okay, great. What about the matcha latte? It's pistachio milk.
It's good. Yes, it's better than I've tried
And
before.
I will say that, this is extremely tasty. It doesn't taste like a really healthy pancake, but the ingredients are great. So while we finish making this, make sure to like, subscribe, leave us a comment with any other recipes you'd like to see, and we'll see you in the next video.